Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nadia Wulandari from semester 5 of English Department in STKIP PGRI Banjarmasin. In this video, I will describe about Banjar culture. Banjar culture, one of the cultural variants in Indonesia, comes from the Banjar tribe culture. The Banjar tribe itself is one of the large tribes in Indonesia, inhabiting its original territory in South Kalimantan. Banjar traditional art is an element of art that is part community life in the Banjar tribe. Traditional is action and behavior that comes out of nature because needs of the previous ancestor. Tradition are part of the traditional but can be destroyed due to the people's unwillingness to follow this tradition. The culture that developed in Banjarmasin has a lot to do with rivers, swamps, lakes, in addition to mountains. Plants and animals that inhabit this area are very much used to fulfill their lives. The necessities of life for those who inhabit this area by utilizing the natural environment with the result of the adapted cultural object. Almost their entire life is completely religious. In addition, the people are also agricultural traders with the support of technology, most of whom are still traditional. Kinship ties have begun to loosen up compared to the past. The orientation of kinship life is more toward intellectual and religious. Religious emotions are still evident in the life of all ethnic groups in South Kalimantan. Orang Banjar developed cultural system, social system, and cultural material related to religion through various processes of adaptation, acculturation, and assimilation, so that it appears that there is a mixture of cultural aspects. Even so, the view or influence of Islam is more dominant in Banjar cultural life. Almost identical to the Islam, especially with view related to divinity or Tawhid. Although in everyday life there are still elements of the origin culture in Hinduism and Buddhism or Buddha. The art of carving and traditional Banjar architecture show an immersion of culture as well as household and utensils, transportation, dance, singing, and so on, whatever that. The Banjar people are familiar with various types and forms of art, both classical art, folk art, and religious art. Art that belongs to the Banjar community, the Banjar tribe has developed quite a complete range of art and culture, although the development has not been maximized, covering various branches of art. Okay. Banjar dance is divided into two, namely dance developed in the place Karaton and dance developed by the people. The art of court dance is marked by the name Baksa, which comes from the Japanese language and Baksan, which signifies the refinement on movement and the dance system. These dances have existed from hundreds of years ago since the Hindu era, but the movements and clothes were deemed incompatible with Islamic ethics under weights like chains. Next, the famous Banjar regional dance, for example, is tari baksa kambang, tari baksa panah, tari baksa dadak, and then tari baksa lilin, tari baksa tameng, tari rada perhayu, tari kuda kepang, tari Japan or Japan, tari tirik kuala, tari gandus, tari tirik, tari babu jangan, tari Japan lenggang banua, and then tari Japin hadrah, tari kambang kipas, tari balatik, tari paligal amban, tari temeng cakrawati, and tari alahai sayang. Okay, next, folk song edis. The famous Banjar song, for example, is Ampar-ampar banana or Ampar-ampar pisang, and then Babungku ampat, Hand kerchief, Paris line, and another Banjar song. Okay, next, about glass painting art edit. The part of glass painting developed in the 50s. The results were in the form of rock, Adam and Eve paintings with Holdy, wood, moss calligraphy, and another. The decoration is very much applied to the furniture in the form of tumpal, saustika, geometric, flora, and fauna. The art of shaving consists of resizing or shallow, and tatah babuku or impreg. The art of surfing is applied to the wood and brush. Wood surfing is applied to household. Next, wood surfing is applied to household items, part of house and moss, part of boat, and part of grass covered. Brush carvings are applied to brass objects such as serana, sabu, pacukuran, pisnar, fireplace, kettle, sasanggan, small cannons, and another. Surf motifs include the hayat tree, double twices, swastika, tumpal, pawung, geometric, star, animal, flora, calligraphy Arabs, and Turkish motifs. Next, it's about oven art edit. The art oven is from rattan, bamboo, and purun is very artistic. Rattan woven in the form of bags and skull caps. Next, it's about traditional house. There are several types of Banjar traditional house, but the most prominent one is the Babungan Tinggi house, which is the residence of prince or king keraton. The type of house a person lives in show his status and position in society. Types of Banjar house is rumah babungan tinggi, rumah gajah baliku, rumah gajah menyusu, rumah balai kaki, rumah balai bini, and then rumah palimbangan, rumah palimasan, rumah cacak burung, rumah anjung surung, rumah tada alas, rumah lanting, rumah joglo gudang, and then rumah bangun gudang. Next, about Jukung. Eric Peterson has conducted research on the Banjar Jukung in his book Jukung's Boat from the Barito Basin or Borneo. Jukung is a typical Kalimantan transportation. Its distinctive feature lies in the manufacturing technique which maintains the combustion system in the safety of the logs which will be made jukung. Okay, jukung type, jukung sudur or rangkaan, jukung sudur biasa, jukung sudur bakapi, jukung sudur anak, ripang, jukung patai, jukung biasa, jukung Hawaiian, jukung kuin, and then there is jukung palanjan, jukung ripang hatap, jukung pamandang, jukung batambit, jukung tambangan, jukung babanciran, jukung undaan, jukung parahan, jukung gundul, jukung pandan liris, and the last jukung tio. That's all about Banjar culture. I hope this video is useful for our knowledge. Thank you for your attention and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.